Now let's tie together the resize rule, its cost, and the C code that runs it. We will state the full buffer event in the terms you need to keep connected. This table reads across in 3 columns. What happens, the C detail, and the cost fact. Let's take them one at a time. First, what happens? If the buffer is full, we double the block. We copy the old elements over. We free the old block. Then we write the new value at the end. Now the C detail. We call realloc for the doubled size and store the result in a temporary pointer called temp. We check temp first. We repoint data only when it succeeds. And the cost fact. This one append is big O of n because it copies every element, but the next many appends just write into spare room. Doubling spreads that cost out, so the average is big O of 1. Keep 3 ideas linked. Double when full. Use a safe realloc through temp, and the copies grow geometrically. A single resize append is still big O of n in the worst case, but n appends cost big O of n in total, so each append is big O of 1 amortized.